This video is going to go through how to navigate your My Disney Experience mobile app.
Starting on the homepage, scroll down to the display with today's date. Click on today's showtimes for happenings around Walt Disney World. You can also click on each of the park's icons to bring up its own hours, or choose all hours for a list of all on one screen. At the bottom menu of the app, scroll to the pointer map icon. It'll bring up a park map with wait times. You can also get all wait times in list format by clicking on Show List in upper right. Want just one park or two? Go to Filter in the upper left and choose the park that you want. You can see your wait times by list in shortest to longest wait, or hide the list and see all of the wait times on the map. At the top of the map, toggle Attractions and you will see only attractions. Click Show List and you can see an alphabetical list with wait times. You can also filter your search however you want based on thrill factor, age, height, interests, and more. Click on an attraction for a description and details, such as find on map, walking directions, height and age guidelines, as well as thrill type and other information. Toggling on Dining at the top of the screen will give you an alphabetical list of restaurants as well as wait times, if mobile ordering is available, and price ranges. Click on the restaurant for more information such as a description, menus, the ability to join the walk-up list or make reservations, or in cases of quick service for mobile ordering. Restrooms and photo pass locations as well as different guest services are also available to locate. To view your plans, go to the bottom of the screen and click on the menu bars. In the top right, you will see My Plans. Open this box and you will see your plans as well as those of your connected family and friends. You can scroll to the day you're looking for, or you can also click on Filter in the top right and click on Type of Plans or Date. Choose the date you want and hit Apply. Your resort will be at the top, and all park reservations and dining reservations will be displayed. You'll see your plans and those you're connected with. For more details, click on your Disney Park Pass park. And that is how My Disney Experience makes it easy for you to see your plans and with the map feature, find everything you need to enjoy the park you are in on any day.